Testing my new solution. It's a mount for Autel camera with a special damper for 360 cameras. This version I did double dampered. I will show you later. This is a rope and carbon fiber tube. Now it's more stable. There is no, I think there is no jelly effect. We'll see in the post. But already I like this version because the drone is extremely small at the beneath. This is how it look like. As you can see, there is two different rubber for very soft gel removing effect. I tested with one damper, and now with the two dampers it will be more precisely. This is a rope, metal rope, and here is a carbon fiber tube. Also, it's possible unscrew this tube extender and put the camera directly under the drone without extender.